To add a custom font in SAP Analytics Cloud, go to System, Administration, and then to Default Appearance. Here, under Story Fonts, you can click this Add a New Web Font and provide a font URL to add a font. Now, let's look at two popular sources from where we can get web fonts. The first one is fonts.google.com. Here, you can use these various filters and this language filters to choose a font that you like. So let's choose a font. I like to try a handwriting font. Okay, how about this one? So click the font that you like and then click on select the style. Now, if you click view your selected font families, then go to this embed tab, you will get a link like this. If you copy this entire link and paste it here, it will not work. So all you need to copy is the link between the codes, that is this HTTPS to swap. Copy this and give the URL here and your font is added. Permanent marker, the font is added. Once it's added, save this and now the font is available to be used in stories. Let's go to a sample story. Let's refresh this page. Now when I edit the story and try to change the font of this text, I should see the font that we added just now. So permanent marker. So this is how you can easily add a Google web font. Now let's see how we can add Adobe fonts. So go to fonts.adobe.com and then you have to sign in. You can sign in either using your Google account or Facebook account. So once you sign in, you can see all the fonts that are available. So let's choose a font that we like. So how about Utopia? So once you like a font, click on this icon and then give a project name and click on create. Now you get this link. So in this you have to copy this CSS link and then again go to default appearance, under fonts, add the link and the Utopia font is added. Save, refresh, and it should be available in our story now. Let's refresh this page. Let's edit. So Utopia is available. So this is how you can add a custom web font in SAC. Hope it helps.